You all requested it, so today another test type video, but this time you can test your knowledge of logo design. Follow along and count your scores as we go through each logo design example and try to work out what is wrong with each logo design. So here is the first design in today's test, and take a close look and try to determine what is wrong with the logo design and what needs to be changed. So the first answer in today's logo design test video is that the logo type is too cramped and closely packed together. Having logo type in this manner makes the design look too squashed and too undesirable, and it's a common problem I see many beginner designers making. So try and give your logo type and the tagline room to breathe on your logo designs. Now if you got this one correct, give yourself 20 points. Now here is the second logo design, and there's one thing that needs to be changed for a specific reason. Can your knowledge of logo design find the right answer? Okay, so in this second design, the lines that make up the tick symbol are too thick and too closely packed together. And this is a problem because when you use the logo scaled down to a small size, the negative space is going to be so minute that the logo may blur into one shape, and this can happen on, say, a business card for example. Now if you got that one correct, give yourself another 20 points. For the third logo design, there is one problem that needs to be changed. If you can get it right, you're going to win 15 points. So on this design here, another common problem I see amateur designers making is that the arrow symbol has been used to represent the A in the typography. This should never be done, and it's a very distasteful style of logo. Instead, keep the logo type in full, and do not let the symbol represent a letter of the logo type itself. Now the answer is going to be awarded 15 points. The fourth of 6 logo examples today may be tricky, but if you can find out what is wrong with the logo, you're going to be awarded 25 points. So the problem here is that the style of typeface used for urban does not represent the feeling or the message of the word itself. The typeface used is sophisticated and almost, dare I say, high status in appearance. Whereas urban connotes street life, concrete jungle and so forth. So always remember that your typefaces and logo type need to send the right message about the brand in conjunction with the logo symbol itself. That correct answer was worth 25 points. So here is the fifth logo design example on screen, but what needs to be changed? So this design uses too many colors throughout the symbol, logo type, and also the tagline. This renders the design not memorable, too hectic, and not simplistic. When designing a logo, be careful using too many colors, and make sure the color that you do use is relevant to the brand itself, but also the industry of the work. And for noticing this logo has too many colors, you can award yourself 20 points. Okay, and the last logo design in today's video is on screen, and there's 2 different things wrong with it, and each change will actually award you 15 points. Can you tell me what these changes are? So firstly, on this logo, the upper logo type is not spread out evenly. The kerning needs to be addressed as the negative space is uneven. That can award you 15 points. And secondly, on the lower tagline, the kerning is too closely packed together, and scaled down this would not be legible. So for those two answers together in combination, you have 30 points. So in today's logo design test video, there are a total of 130 points to be awarded. 0 to 20 points suggests that you need to really focus your attention on the basics of logo design and graphic design in general. 25 to 40 points suggests that you have a very basic understanding of logo design, but you need to keep studying and to keep surrounding yourself with professional design to learn from. 45 to 80 points suggests that you have at least a basic understanding of logo design, and you're well on your way to having a firm understanding. 85 to 105 points is quite a high score, and it suggests that you have a firm understanding of logo design, and you're on your way to mastering it. Now anything above 110, I personally would suggest that you have a very good and a solid understanding of logo design. So there was another test type video. Let me know down below if you dig this kind of content, and also what was your score. And don't be discouraged if you got a low score. It just shows that you need to spend more time focusing on design theory and logo design rules. I'm actually going to link videos down in the description box below on logo design rules and design rules in general. But yeah, like and share my content on social media, and subscribe to Satori Graphics if you haven't done already. And until next time, design your future today. Peace.